This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Patricia Salazar. Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse, 2-car garage and 1,988 square feet of heated living space. The first floor features an open floor plan with abundant natural light, including a spacious great room and kitchen. Covered and screened in patio/lanai. Upstairs, you'll find all the bedrooms, a laundry room, and a loft area. The primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom featuring a dual sink vanity, walk-in shower, and soaking tub. Located in the beautiful community of Grand Hampton. Residents have access to a clubhouse with a fitness center, aerobics room, and meeting rooms, a resort-style lagoon pool with a heated spa, tennis courts, a basketball court, an activity field, and a playground. Plus, you'll be close to excellent shopping and dining options, including Wiregrass Mall and Tampa Premium Outlets. For more information,